What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to know or how to solve the PayPal holding your money or holding your funds. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, if you want to find what money or what transaction is being held, just go to your activity and right here all of your transaction. As you can see, I don't have any transaction yet, but all of your transaction will be show here, and you can see where when your transaction is being held or your the money that will be sent to your account is being held and you cannot use that money. So in order to solve that, just go to help right here and go to solution resolution center, and after that you can just report your problem to the PayPal support system, and that's it. And if that doesn't work, there might be a main issue for that. Try go back to the help center and see some articles of PayPal. You will see an article that shows why your account is being held, and one of the reason is that your account is new, and if your account is new, there's a tendency that some of your transaction will be held, and that's the main reason. And it says that you will just need to wait for like 21 or 30 days, and after that you would likely to receive your money that is being held. And that's it. That's all for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.